Okay, so I just want to make a quick video for those of you that have a this is a 2005 Ford Focus, but I think this works on like 2002 to 2007, and it's if it doesn't start. So if you try to start it, it just does nothing's happening. Just one thing to check is just open the hood up and go to the fuse panel, the fuse box, and this right here is some sort of engine control module fuse, and make sure that that's not blown. I don't know if you can see it. Just take it out. I use this because it's really hard to get out with just my hands, but and if you see, you can see that it's blown because it's not connected right there. And you can find this at places like O'Reilly. I couldn't find it at AutoZone or Walmart, but I found it. It's on Amazon. Found it at O'Reilly. See, this is what it should look like. Connected, and that one's. This is a good fuse. That's a bad fuse. So if you just replace this the same way that it goes in, which is like this, with the numbers facing towards you. And then whenever you try to start it, it should just